a good thing we salted that corner. It's fucking shit.
Yeah, we fixed this road. We did.
Welcome, bitches.
It's snowing a lot.
Not really, but it's
Well, not anymore, but the roads are so fucked. I can't go anywhere.
black ice.
Blice.
Black ice.
Nice.
Can you hear me rub my tire?
Yeah, I can hear it really bad. So you fired up for your day off or what?
Woo! Here we are. Another day. Another bullet.
Another bullet, eh? Well, I'm gonna play some Siege. It looks like. Maybe stream it. You know? Oh, is that the other? You hear that right? Yeah, streaming, baby.
That's right. Welcome to Just Koryzma.
Just streams.
Just look at my stream.
Fucking watch it.
Never cross the streams. What?
What?
Huh?
Huh?
I don't know. Who you gonna call?
Ghostbusters, man.
Mama.
Oh shit.
Oh, that's right. I got you, bitch.
Damn. Well, you're a wordsmith.
I am.
Swear to God, if you pee in it.
This isn't my jacket. This is Jack's jacket. Your jacket.
Could be mine.
Somebody's jacket.
Dude, who cares? Go touch the water. You're already out there.
What the fuck?
Oh, that's thicker than a...
That still is kind of jump througable.
Oh, it's hard.
Why would you punch it?
Yeah, it's not super thick though.
He punched through it.
Fucking dummy.
I'll do it again.
I'll do it again.
Don't do it.
Stop.
Do it. Don't do it.
Do it.
Don't do it.
Do it.
Don't do it.
Do it.
I hate you.
Almost fell off.
Do it.
It's so slippery.
Don't do it.
Do it.
Don't.
Do it. Put your foot in it.
No, it doesn't need his shoes to be wet.
Don't do it.
Drop your cock on it.
Don't do it.
Master Miyagi.
Ah, it hurts. So good.
So good.
Alright, Jack, now do that with your nuts.
That's why it hurt.
Oh my god, dude.
Wait, are you... What happened?
What do you think happened?
Did you bleed?
I'm bleeding, bro.
Oh my god.
Some ice.
That's awesome.
Are you gonna jump in it, Jack?
It's okay. I already iced it, boys.
I already iced it.
Come on. For the vlog.
I really don't
For the vlog.
It's really not happening. Why are you doing it? You're the fat
We'll
man.
both jump in it.
Oh my god. No, you'll take up the whole thing.
No. See, I'll be the icebreaker, right? And then I'll get out. You just cannonball in after me and see which water you can splash.
You wanted an ice bath, right?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Here's your ice bath. Go for it. It's all you about.
Oh, it's snowing harder, boys.
It is.
In the matter of minutes.
I probably shouldn't jump and land on my ass right now with a hurt back. Now that I think about it.
Furthermore, the reason.
That's why you have to do it.
No.
I'm broken. I can't do it right now. I need somebody to take my place.
No hard pass on that, boys.
Come on. Do it for the vine. Do it.
Let's see your hands.
Logan do it.
Jesus.
All right, Logan, you go jump in.
I'm a ball buster.
Go do an ass drop in the water.
Cowabunga, my dudes.
Brayden's got the thick shitter.